Right, so, hello, welcome back. My name is Lawton. I haven't been on YouTube for about a week or something like that because I was away on holiday, and I apologise for that, but I'm straight back with a game that I've been wanting to do for such a long time, which is the Untitled Goose Game, where you're just an asshole of a goose that goes around messing with people. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this. If my voice sounds a bit croaky or worn, I just have a bit of a sore throat. After a week-long holiday where I just drank every single night, my immune system is a bit weak. So the first episode of Untitled Goose Game is officially in session! Now, I'm not sure if it is supposed to be with the borders around the sides, but that is what I've got so far, and I don't seem to be able to combat that. So we'll discover together. Let's hit begin. Oh. That's cool. I don't know. Press space to honk. Oh. What? Click to move. Alright, okay, so I can just kind of like drag it like that. Right, okay. Honk, honk, honk. Right, okay, right, let me just quickly double check something. Right, okay, so, yeah, I wasn't supposed to have that border, and I've fixed that now. I also have a cookie. I don't love the controls. Control to bend forwards. You don't know how long I've been wanting this game. Wait, what? To use my beak. Oh, right. Making sweet trout! Oh, that's so cool. Okay, no, not that way. We ride! Can I pick this up? Bend down to pick things up off the ground. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Now I just have hold of it, right? I have to keep hold of it. Okay. Right, okay, how do I drop it? Okay. That's how I drop it, I figured it out. I got a ball! Can I get up on here? Can I get under it? Ooh. You know your doom is coming when you see this. Bend down to pick things up off the ground. Hold control, then press. Yeah, baby. God damn, I'm a strong goose. Okay, right, I can't like fully carry that. Oh, shit. Honk to you, good sir. Right, run! Wait, X to spread my wings. Ooh. What if I don't spread my wings? Will I drown? Oh. This is the best. Game of the Year edition. Wait, no, that's an edition. Game of the Year! Okay, the music stopped and that nerves me. Wop, 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 wop. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be going here. I'm just kind of wanting to swim around. I don't even know if I'm heading the right way. I'm just kind of goosing around, just hoping for the best here. Alright, where are we going? Alright, you know what? No, I'm gonna... Ooh. What's up here? This game is amazing! Was I supposed to come up on land here? I feel like I could come up on land around this area at first, couldn't I? Yeah, I like that kind of zoom. Ooh, we're at the caretaker's house. I want this for myself. Into the lake you go. I'm definitely going to take his sandwich. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, wait, oh yeah, I remember this on the trail. You had to like make a picnic or something. Can I set this off? Oh. What am I supposed to be doing? Press tab to see your to-do list and controls. Okay, right, so to do, get into the garden, get the groundskeeper wet, steal the groundskeeper's keys, make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat, take him in the lake? That doesn't sound good. Take... have a picnic. Bring to the picnic blanket. Sandwich, apple, pumpkin, carrot, jam. Oh, fuck's sake. I put the basket in the goddamn lake. Let's go get that. Wait, radio. Wait, radio. Let's pull this. Control? There we go, right. Uh-oh, no. Run! He's gonna try and take your sick tunes! Okay. Is that supposed to just carry on going? What did I need? I needed... Shit. No! I mean, I can get into the garden now. Ooh, sucker! Alright, okay, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden. Now what? This is more intense than I anticipated. Alright, get the groundskeeper where... Alright, so what do I need? I need sandwich, apple... So radio's gonna have to be like the last one that I bring in, then I imagine. What's that say? Take in the lake. Rake in the lake? Is there any of that? Yeah, that's an... Ah, yeah, right. So rake in the lake. I'm going for the rake. Maverick, going straight for it. Nope. 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 Give yourself to me, rake! What happens if the groundskeeper catches? It was me. It was me. Run! He'll never know. I crouch. I am a phantom of the night. Hey, no, that's my rake. Can I pinch it? It was me! I got his keys! Run! Where do I go with them? Does he just not care? Okay, okay. Okay. Are they mine now? I'm gonna store them right here. They'll be safe there. Right. Keys by the statue. Ah! It was me. Okay, okay. Get off! Get away! He's coming for me, man. He's gonna shovel me. Chase me, chase me. He's a dastardly one! Ah! I clicked off the game! Oh, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ah! He beat it out of my hands. Get away. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Nothing. Go on, run away. Can I get him? No, leave me alone. No, no. Go, 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 go! Oh wait, no, he's close enough, he's close enough. Yeah! Is he coming for me? Toss me! Yeah, I need to get this basket back out of the lake. You can turn quickly if you stop running, yeah. That's what I did before. I stopped running and then, like, pulled back. Alright, so sandwiches, apple, basket, radio is the last one that I need. And then I'm going to lock him out of his own garden just to spite him. I thought I'd take his keys to get in something. Turns out I am literally just taking them to be an asshole. Okay. That's all cool. I can take it. Alright. I got the goose game.
Honk!
Honk!
Honk! Honk!
Right. I need the radio, don't I? Pumpkin. What? This one. Shh. He doesn't see anything. Uh-oh, he may see something. He may see something. No, no, it's mine. It's mine. I'm gone. I feel like this game is actually like become like challenging up ahead. Carrot, jam, thermos. I thought he said themes. So I was like, that makes no sense. Honk. I don't know why I'm honking and trying to get attention. I really shouldn't be. Alright, carrot. Now need jam. What if I just go up and honk him? Oh, that's how you steal his trowel. But how do I get his hat?
Oh no.
What?
I should have lost.
No, no. No, he's after my jams! Where is he? Wait. I don't know. Right, run. He's forgotten about his jam already. Because he's mad. What?
What do I do with this?
What happens if I... You'll never know! Oh no, shit, he figured it out. What if I run at him with my wings out? What?
You might want to pause your video.
I thought you were going to say he'll punch you. Why are we doing?
I'm going to start smashing.
I thought you said I'm going to start masturbation then. Just 1 second. Let me just get caught. Right. Yeah, go for the bashing. Give me my thermos, ass face. I'm going to take it from you. Don't you shoo me, I'll eat you alive! Run. You'll never know that I'm here. You do you, man, you do you. I'm just gonna take this. Yeah! Oh, cool. Most agile of beasts. Don't look this way, don't look this way. Run, you stupid white goose! There we go. Alright, so I just need his radio, and that thing makes so much noise. Like, the second that I grab it, it starts making noise. Not really fair, that is it. Alright. What if I just take this whole thing? No, it's mine! What if I just get this there and then drop it, and then, like, boom. Picnic done. No! No. Ah! Picnic done. Screw you, it's all mine. Get him! Wait, I want to test something. No, I wanted more. I do with my mouse wheel, and I was like, I wonder if it'd do like shit ton. I can do a whole bunch of them. Right, so what's left? Make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat, rake in the lake. So I need to take his rake, but I don't know how to get his sun hat. His hat off him. Ah, piss off. Let me at your hat. That's a lame. Do I need to knock him over? Is that what I need to do? How do I get his hat off of him? Oh no. No, let me back in. I don't want to be oh no, his keys are out here. What do I do? He's locked in. It's like blocking the Grim Reaper out once you've killed a sim. Right, I have his keys. Oh shit, no, I didn't mean to drop him. Do I have to unlock it and let him out? Does that mean he'll just give me his hat? I'm coming to help you! I may have broken the game. Oh no. Right, that's off. There you go. Teamwork. Let me back in. Honk, honk, honk. How do I get his hat? That's annoying. Okay. Do I have to lure him into the lake? And then have my way with him? I actually thought I'd like broken the game then for a moment. I was kind of concerned. Okay. Thing is, I've seen a lot of obviously like trailers and stuff like that that shows this part, so I'm looking forward to getting to the part. Did he see me on his rig? I'm not on his rig. Shh. Into the night I go. No, 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 no. You don't see bugger all. Go away. This is a noisy rake. Rake in, like... Am I gonna have to, like, YouTube how to get his hat? Hey! Ain't got no rake now, boy! A new to-do list item. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb. Do I have to wait until he's hammering something? Do I have to... Right, okay, okay. Let's think about this logically. I have to pull boards off of something so he has to hammer it back together. Right? I think to be able to get his hat, I just have to descend upon him like the Batman. Oh. Some bullshit. Making signs about me. Do I pull that sign out? Whee! Oh shit, I got stuck. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh. No, pick up the sign. Pick up the sign. Go away, fly. Now he's gonna have to hammer it back in when he does. I have to like time it perfectly. I have to like do it as he's swinging. It's my hammer now, sucker! Oh, he fell. Steal his hat! Steal his hat! Get his hat! Oh, he's bullying me in the corner, guys. How do I take his hat, man? This guy is just thinking, man, what a asshole of a goose I've got. Give me your hat. What if I just go through into here? Hello, is Jimmy home to play? No, okay. No, screw you, Jimmy. How do I take his sun hat? How do I take his hat and make him wear his sun hat? Do I just have to wear it better than him? Oh, wait, there you go. No, oh, right, okay, okay. I'm with it, I'm with it, I'm with it. I was putting the rose in. Ha ha! Sucker! Now, what are you gonna do with no hat? He ain't got nothing! What? No, get a hat! You need your hat. Do I have to like drop it in the lake? No, no, he's going for it, he's going for it. Yeah. So the rose was the key. Okay. I can dig that, I can dig that. Sorry, just one moment. Oh, right. I've already played for like half an hour. Alright, let's go fuck with this boy's life. When you hear this sound come around the corner, you know you're down! What do you do? Break the broom, trap the boy in the phone booth. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Get on TV. That is brilliant. go shopping, put in the basket, toothbrush, loo paper, hairbrush, tin food, cleaner, fruit and veg. How do I trap the boy in there though? That's just brilliant. Yeah, run, boy! You don't know the trauma you'll ever feel. Then a goose started scoring. Get in the booth. Get in the booth. Escape! Escape! You don't know nothing. Get away. Easy! Hello, goose police. Alright, okay, wait. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Get on TV. I'm in. I am the goose. Get out of my shop! Get out of my shop! Okay, run. Kid, you were scared of me. You run away. Straight. Little boy, run. Uh-oh. It wasn't me. She gonna... Whoa! Whoa, not cool! These guys are all just mean. I'm just trying to, like, make a living here. Beautiful. What happens if she hits me with it? Go on, try it again, you daft old woman. Come on, woman. I need to stop mashing it because I can't like letting go. Heh! Mine! And away I go. You ain't got fuck. No, the toppy broom is wet. Okay. Well, you know, I messed that up. Oh, she looks... I'm sorry. I'll bring it back. I'll bring it back. No, I'm sorry, woman. Come here. You can have it back. She looks so sad. What if it's a sentimental broom? Hey. Lady. There you go. You can have it back. What are you going to do, beep? Oh, you know what? You don't deserve this back. What are you going to do? Bow staff me? Yeah, that's what I thought you better run. Wear the wrong glasses make someone buy back their own stuff. Oh, okay, right, there you go. Bugger off. I want another cookie. Leave the airplane! It's mine. Ah! Wait, can I like ruin these in that water? No, she's onto... Ah! Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up! You need him more! Ah! He's pretty fast for a goose. Ruined. Oh, she's gonna resell those. So where's the basket that I need to fill stuff with? Is it that big basket around there? Oh, this basket. Is she giving it back to him? Hey, let me look! That's right, boy. Where's your plane? Sell him the plane, you heartless woman! Now, which basket am I putting stuff into? That's the question. He'll come and buy something eventually. Right, so toothbrush, loo paper, okay. Right, toothbrush, loo paper, hairbrush. Where's the toothbrush? Does she even sell toothbrushes? Oh wait, I see the hairbrush. What do you want, woman? You don't know me. Get away! I got away. I accidentally flicked between two screens. Oh. I ain't doing nothing. Oh my god, she has the eyes of a hawk. Go away. You don't know what I've seen, woman. You don't know what I could do to you. I don't feel like it's that basket. Which basket am I putting it in? I'm so confused. Is this even the right shop? What are you gonna do with your broom, woman? It's broken. I am trying to shop at your store and support a local business. Fuck off! Oh, come on now, woman. This ain't cool, man. These are different times. I didn't touch you, don't you? Oh, this woman is so vigilant. You know, maybe if I did still have her broom broken, that'd be a good idea. What are you gonna do? Nothing, yeah. Absolutely nothing. Run, kid, run! Yeah, scare him into the shop. And he'll see his plane. Oh, he sees it! Who? You just gonna try and walk out with it? Oh. Oh, oh. Hey! This kid's going through some tough times, man. Oh! She's a mean woman! Oh! I love, because they have no voice, they have to be like so over dramatic in their body language. So it's brilliant. Yeah, what are you gonna do now? You old bitch. No. Alright, that must be the basket then. Alright, that's it, right? Oh yeah. What are you gonna do, huh? You got a stick. Actually, I should just take the whole stick. I don't know what she's gonna do. She's just sweeping at me with a stick. The lady's crazy. Lady is crazy. I don't want to take his glasses. If she takes that hairbrush out. Bollocks! You mean I... Okay, right. I'm assuming the best thing to do would be to take the whole basket out of there. I'm out! Right. So I've got the hairbrush out there. I think I'm just going to do it like that. I'm just going to steal like individual stuff and just hide it all over there. And then I can just basically bring the basket over and dump it all in. Because I think trying to get them all in a basket in the shop at the same time is going to be really pissing hard. I got the loot roll. Is the tin food actually just from here? Oh no, yeah, there's tin food on the corner there. You don't know where it is. You don't even know what world of pain I brought into your life, wench. Run! Fuck you, boy! Fuck. You little snitch, I'm gonna get you. Hey, you better run! Run for the hills! Just imagine a boy cowering in the corner, just... Alright, I need... Oh, wait. Is that... No, no. Alright, where's the toothbrushes, though? Didn't even do nothing. Where are the toothbrushes? Froze for a moment then. Run, 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 run. She don't see nothing. Right. Okay, I'm assuming I have to steal a toothbrush from somewhere else, because, like, there's no way. that she is a toothbrush in amongst all that. Right, so I've got canned food. I need cleaner, fruit and veg. Right, okay. I got the veg. This may be a bit of a boring way to do it. I'm not sure. But I feel like trying to build it up in the shop is going to be so difficult. Right, so veg. Question is that apples or tomatoes? Right, that's definitely like an orange, right? Alright, fruit and veg. Now I need cleaner and a toothbrush. I mean, it looks like there's cleaner there by the bin. Umbrellas. Oh, wait, there's an aerosol can there. I'm not even in, woman. Go away. What do you want? Yeah. Back the... She don't even dare. She knows what's good. Back away! Stop trying to shoot me. Don't say shit, kid. She didn't see me take it, I don't think. Alright, now I just need a toothbrush, right? Wherever that is. I feel like I'm going to end up stealing the basket and luring her to all of the stuff that I've stolen. You didn't see nothing. If it like ends up saying I have to have it all like there in the shop, I'm going to be really upset. Let's find out. Hey! Right, now I just need a toothbrush. If she comes over and destroys all of my life's work, I might actually cry. Oh! How? How did that even happen? You just yeeted it all over. Right. This is bubble butt, man. Right, there we go. Right, we got that. Stay. Right, I still need to find out wherever I'm getting a toothbrush from. I'm not confusing the toothbrush with the hairbrush, am I? Right. Toothbrush, yeah. Don't tip it all out. Oh, I think I'd cry if it did. Right. She has a toothbrush somewhere. That's fruit and veg. Toilet rolls, shirts, socks. Where are toothbrushes, woman? I desire to know. Can I open up these shelves? Is this a toothbrush? Is this what you people brush your teeth with? Am I missing something here? Or am I like going crazy? Because I have no idea where this toothbrush is. I'm not seeing one. Let's stay zoomed in. Examine. Go away. Don't care about you, boy. Toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. Is there even one? Excuse me, madame, I'm looking for a toothbrush. Could you tell me where I may find one? Fuck you, kid! Will this count as a toothbrush? Let's see. Hey, you didn't see nothing, kid. Are these socks or toothbrushes? No, I can't put that in there. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Can I get in here? Yeah, I'm gonna call it that anyway, because we got like a good 40 minutes of recording. Me messing with that guy. That was really fun. That was really cool. I enjoyed it. I've been looking forward to this game for a long time, and just the fact that the game is literally going around being an asshole to people is, I think that might be my calling, actually, so I'm very intrigued. I may just try and find the toothbrush off screen, off recording, so that I'm not running around in the next video for like 10 minutes trying to find it. Yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'm going to be posting this alongside with finishing up Hellblade and with Sacrifice, all that kind of jazz, so don't forget to check out some of that. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you have any recommendations or comments as how I should edit and stuff, please let me know. I'm very new to this. I'm just sort of learning as I go. So any recommendations is gladly appreciated. And as always, I'll either catch you in the next video or in my live streams on Twitch. If not, then yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, good. The episode is officially adjourned.